2023 Toyota Tundra heat exchanger right behind here on this bumper side. Look right there. You know, like how Ferraris and Lamborghinis have the side heat exchangers and the Audis. There's another one right there. Then you have your center one. You have two electric fans. You got one of those more expensive ECM controlled one there. You have a heat exchanger up above, right above up there. Then there must be another back heat exchange. Ah, there it goes. Then you have your radiator. My God, that radiator is the size of a Cummins engine. Then you have your radiator back there. You have a electric, thermal fluid electric clutch fan, like on a big Peterbilt or a Mack, and your F550. On a Toyota Tundra, you have one of those, plus two electric fans. Oh, we have all the goodies going on in here. We have multiple coolant systems. Where is our compressor at? Let me see which electric compressor they have in here. Oh, I smell money, man. When these things start going out. Oh yeah, this is printing money. Especially for those guys who like to guess by pressures and top things off by using pressure. Go, yeah, that's good enough. We'll just stop right there. Or I don't think it has enough. I'm going to add more. When you burn out one of these suckers, when you come to me, and it just been to somebody who contaminated refrigerant, possibly wrong oil, overcharged it, guess who's going to pay for that? All right, guys, I'll see you later. Catch up or fall behind. You're going to become dinosaurs and be put out of business if you don't know what you're doing. See you later.